3 ways to increase willpower. Number 1. One day we become inspired and resolve to do idealistic things. Even though we can't actually change anything, it feels like we can change our lives overnight. Because willpower is a limited resource, many chances that you won't be able to complete all of your tasks at once. Instead, concentrate your efforts on one activity at a time until it becomes a habit, then go on to the next one. Number 2. Make every effort to avoid using your willpower. Since you can't see the snacks, you won't be distracted by them and won't be tempted to eat them, so avoid buying unhealthy snacks if you want to lose weight. If you don't feel tempted, you won't need to use willpower to resist the temptation. Number 3, willpower is a fight between passion and emotion. If you consistently lose your willpower, it is obvious that you place more value on your emotions. Well-known philosophies advise against becoming overly attached to your emotions because doing so leads to detachment. However, if you think creatively, you can open up new perspectives that will enable you to achieve anything in life.